This is Ultraloq UL3BT second generation, a Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock designed to be real keyless. With features like fingerprint identification, it is an excellent solution for everyone. Forget about calling the locksmith or replacing keys. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. Ultraloq UL3BT second generation has Bluetooth connectivity that will allow you to pair it with your smartphone running iOS or Android. This way you'll be able to unlock your door using the smartphone app. With the app and Ultraloq Bridge, you'll have even more possibilities. If you have an Airbnb, you can share temporary e-keys and set codes for specific dates and times. Manage users and check the log record of who has entered from anywhere you are. And one more option to unlock it is with your Apple Watch for keyless access. Ultraloq UL3BT second generation has an Autolock function, so your security can never be forgotten. The touchscreen display and the app will guide you through the process of managing users, as well as setting passage or lockout mode. With passage mode, the lock will remain open for free access. With lockout mode, your lock can only be operated manually by the mechanical key. In case the batteries die, just use the backup keys to open it as any other lock. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. Bridge and IFTTT integration syncs your Ultraloq with the rest of your smart home, and you can use voice commands with your smart speaker. Ultraloq UL3BT second generation, a smart lever lock with amazing capabilities, ready to work with your door.